Are you looking for the best garden tillers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best garden tillers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BILT Hard Electric Tiller Cultivator. The BILT Hard Electric Tiller Cultivator is a powerful and safe tool for gardening. With its 13.5 amp motor, it can cultivate up to 16-inch width x 8.7 depth of soil. The 6 rust-resistant blades with 4 angled tines effortlessly slice through the soil at a maximum speed of 360 revolutions per minute. The foldable handles and adjustable wheels make storage and transportation convenient. The BILT Hard Tiller Cultivator is the right assistant for your garden, as it can loosen soil, remove weeds, and mix and compost for small to medium-sized garden, lawn, and flower beds. What we like: lightweight and easy to maneuver. Quiet operation. Powerful for its size. Simple assembly process. Great value for the money. What we don't like: may need frequent blade cleaning. Limited power for larger projects. Number 2. LawnMaster 10 amp electric tiller. The LawnMaster TE1016M electric tiller cultivates rough terrain with its powerful 10 amp motor and 16-inch cutting width. It features 2 adjustable tiller heights and foldable handles for easy storage. The tiller has 6 rust-resistant steel blades that can till up to 16 inches wide and 9 inches deep. Safety is ensured with a locking button to start and a trigger lever to control the motor. The product comes with priority shipping from a U.S. warehouse and a professional customer service team. What we like: easy assembly. Powerful motor. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Effective with tough soil. Quiet operation. What we don't like: may bounce slightly during use. Extension cord can be cumbersome. Number 3. MZK Cordless Tiller Cultivator. The MZK Cordless Cultivator by MZK is a versatile tool for your gardening needs. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with its rechargeable battery, allowing you to work anywhere at any time. Its lightweight and ergonomic design reduce fatigue, making it easy to maneuver in your garden. The 24 steel tines and 7.8-inch cultivator efficiently prepare soil for planting, aerate the lawn, and break up clumps, all in a single pass. With a safety lock feature, you can use it with peace of mind, keeping you and your loved ones safe. What we like: lightweight and easy to use. Powerful for small areas. Good battery life. Well packaged and easy assembly. Great for tight spaces. What we don't like: limited to small garden areas. Can struggle with thick weeds. Number 4. Earthquake Victory Rear Tine Tiller. The Earthquake Victory Rear Tine Tiller is a powerful and compact tiller that is perfect for tackling tough soil. It features a 209 cubic centimeters Viper engine, bronze gear transmission, counter-rotating tines, instant reverse, and pneumatic wheels. It is highly maneuverable and adjustable, allowing you to till up to 10-inch deep and 16 wide in one pass. It is built to last with its all-steel construction and heavy-duty forged tines. What we like: powerful performance. Easy to assemble. Excellent maneuverability. Durable steel construction. Good warranty coverage. What we don't like: heavy weight. Forward drive belt issues. Number 5. Earthquake 20015 Versatiller Cultivator. The Earthquake Versatiller Cultivator is a versatile gardening tool that offers both tilling and cultivating capabilities. With its tool-less removal of outer tines and shields, it can easily transform from a tiller to a cultivator, providing flexibility for various gardening tasks. Its easy maneuverability allows for effortless control, making it light enough to turn on a dime. The tiller's lowest center of gravity ensures ground-hugging stability, providing a smooth and stable operation. Additionally, the smooth pull recoil feature offers an easy start, making it convenient and quiet to use. With a 5-year warranty, the Earthquake Versatiller Cultivator is a reliable and durable choice for any gardening enthusiast. What we like: Powerful performance. Easy assembly. Great maneuverability. Good value for money. Effective for tough soil. What we don't like. Minor assembly issues. Lightweight, may bounce on hard ground.